Hi there. So here's that second question. 3 1/3 minus 5 3/5. So again, it's subtracting fractions, but this one is a mixed number. So let me go over to my paper so you can see. Okay, so the first step in subtracting mixed numbers, well, you have two options. You can turn them into improper fractions like this, and then subtract just the way we did there. Or you can leave them in mixed number form. I'm going to show you how to do the, let's see. I'll do it both ways, and then you can decide which way you like for the future. So turning them into improper fractions, what that means is 3 1/3. There's another way to write that. We go 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So this is the same as 10/3. Okay, so I didn't change the value. I just changed the way I wrote it. 10/3 is the same as 3 1/3. Okay, subtract, and then I'm going to do the same thing here, turn this into an improper fraction. So 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28/5. Okay, so now I have a problem very similar to the one that we were just doing up here, where I need to get a common denominator. So I need to figure out what my common denominator is going to be for 3 and 5. So I can list out multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I can do the same thing for 5, 5, 10, 15. And as soon as you find one, you can just stop. So 15 is in both lists. So 15 can be my common denominator there. So same thing I did up above. I'm going to go, what did I multiply by to change the denominator? 3 times 5 was 15. So I need to also multiply the top by 5. So that's 50. On the next fraction, 5 times 3 was 15. So I need to multiply the top times 3. I don't know 28 times 3 off the top of my head, so I'm going to have to multiply that. 84. Okay. So now I have a common denominator, so I know my denominator is going to be 15. I need to do 50 minus 84. And this is going to be a negative number, I can already tell, because I'm taking away something bigger than the number. So 50 minus 84 would be negative 34. If you need help on subtracting integers like positives and negatives, let me know. That's a different lesson. So I'm going to assume that you know how to do that part. Okay, so now I have this fraction, negative 34/15. And you can leave it like that. Or if you want to go back to a mixed number, since the top is bigger than the bottom, you sure can. So you can either leave it like this, or I have a negative. So how many times does 15 go into 34? I think it goes in 2 times, which would be 30. So then I would still have 4 left over. So 2 and 4/15. So either one of those would be the correct answer there.